In this exercise, we will learn the Curvature Pen tool. Basically, the Curvature Pen tool is used to draw curve shapes and draws them perfectly. We'll also cover a couple of other tools, add and delete point tools, and convert point tool. Okay, let's see how these tools will work. Okay, if I right-click on the pen tool, we have the curvature tool underneath of the freeform pen tool. And we can press Shift and P to select this tool. Basically, the curvature tool works based on their anchor points. The first point when we click, and the second point when we click a second time, and the third point will be created in the middle. When we click the third point, the shape of a curve will be created. Okay, let's see how that will work. I have an image of a grid I just created using the grid tool. I will talk about this in later exercises. Okay, I have selected this tool, and make sure we have selected the path option from here to draw a path. Okay, now click here and click a second time here. We can see we have 2 anchor points, but we need a third point to convert that shape into a curve. Okay, now let's click here for a third point. We can see that it has made a very nice and smooth curve. And we now have a third point in the middle. Okay, now just click here and join. We have a perfect circle shape. This is the latest and best tool added in the new version of Photoshop CC. Okay, now we can also move these anchor points around, something like that. Okay, next we have Add Anchor Point tool. We can select it from here, and we can add more anchor points. These tools are not used because when we use the pen tool, we can add anchor points using the pen tool, or we can delete it. We don't need to use Add Other Anchor Point tool and Delete tool. Okay, next we have the Curve Anchor Point tool. This tool also is not used well separately. We already have learned how to convert anchor points into a curve shape by pressing the Alt key when using the pen tool, curvature tool, or the freeform tool. Okay, let's see some more options in the curvature tool. We have the selection option. Just click on it to convert into selection. We can create masks. Just draw a shape and click on it. We can see a mask is created. We will learn more about mask in the next exercises. Next, we have a shape option, and we can convert a path into a shape. Okay, next we have path operations. We already know about these options. Next, we have the alignment tool options. We can bring the shape on its front side or its back side. Next, we can change stroke thickness and color. This is just for us to view in our Photoshop window, but after you save, it does not appear. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Path Selection tool and the Direct Selection tool.